In this video, we'll be adding an image asset and a collection asset. Under Desktop, you'll go to Editorial Assets. Under New Asset, it'll be an image asset. You'll want to add your image file, upload, and browse for the file. So the file is going to pull in the file info from the image itself as the caption, so you'd want to edit and make any changes in that field. In the same way as an article, you would want to headline "This is visible to on the site," so you want to make sure it's something that makes sense. You'd want to put the correct photographer and byline. You'd set the start date and time. If you're working on a gallery, you'd want to put your display priority in the order of the photos. So if this was the first photo, it would be a 1, second photo would be a 2, and so on. Under sections, photos always go in visuals and visuals photos. You want to put visuals photos to the top. You would add a keyword based on the story to match the story keyword. If you've put keywords in Photoshop, they would come in automatically here. You would set this in the correct workflow. It would need to go through the ISTAS to be published, but you can send it to your editor through your normal workflow process. Once you have uploaded, if you're creating a gallery, then you can put all of the images into a collection. So in this case, you'd want to add children. So you'd find your assets that you've already uploaded. So ideally you'd type in your keyword there and they'd pull them all up. I'm going to grab just some photos that seem to be related. These are actually wire photos, that's why they all have the same headline, but they are individual photos. You can, if you select them in the correct order, then they would appear in the right order. If they're not in the order you want them, you can drag and drop to rearrange them. Under description, this is an overall gallery description talking about the photos. You'd want to, so it's basically a caption for the gallery. So that's a sentence or two, and then you would want to put photography by, and you would define the photographers here. There's not a separate byline field in a collection. A collection would need a title. We do photo gallery all caps and a colon and then an actual headline. You'd also want to again do visuals and visuals photos with visuals photos at the top. You'd want to put the same keyword from the story and the other photos there and promote it through the workflow as you would otherwise. That's all for this video.